All right, day 4, last day. I'm experiencing Miocene melancholy because I'm loving it down here, but all good things must end eventually, so wish me luck. Maybe today's the day. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna hit the bottom. I'm a crater. Okay.
And there he goes. Get it.
I knew what you're doing.
There he goes. Man, this is probably the clearest I've ever seen it.
Yeah, it's very, this is not normal for us.
Pretty little Meg, 2 5/16 inches, pretty close to perfect, just missing that tip serration, but the rest of the tooth is all there. Great burlette, sharp serrations, great root. That is a nice tooth. Look, it's just a little baby, 1 1/8 long. This was a tiny little Meg, but the tooth, still amazing. Good serrations, got most of the tip there. Good root. Yep, that's a keeper all day. Decent tooth, just missing a little bit of the root there. Nice color and burlette. There's another one with a tip ding. That is the story of the hobby. Their teeth, sharks gotta eat, so when they bite and the teeth hit something, that's the result. 9 times out of 10, probably more than that. Look at this massive tiger shark tooth. I know we see a lot of big tiger shark teeth because of the cow shark spot that we have that produces amazing ones, but this is by far my biggest one from Venice. 1 3/8 long. Captain of the boat said it was gigantic, and I'm inclined to agree with him. Could have been whole, but it wasn't. But that's what it looked like, all cleaned up. First dive of the day. I see this thing laying on the bottom. I saw it from 10 feet away. I knew what it was. I'm like, yes, trip maker. Finally got a decent sized tooth, and oh, what a tooth it is. Look at that burlette. Great serrations. This one survived feeding without getting the tip smashed off. Root is just killer. Nice curvature to that thing too. Probably one of the nicest Meg teeth I have from Venice. Just a glorious tooth. 3 7/8 inches long. I could pretty much tell underwater that this was not going to be a good tooth, and it's not. but you saw me pick it up, so there it is. It's a little Megalodon tooth. Definitely seen better days. Oh my gosh. This one, beautiful. Look at that enamel. Look at that burlette. Look at that root. Look at that tip. Oh wait, there's no tip there because they got to eat. That's the name of the hobby right there. Try and find one without a tip being smashed off it, right? There's a pretty little meg tooth, 2.5 inches long. Nice baby blue color. Most of the burlette's still there. Nice serrations, killer root. Still got a little bit of that up there, but you know, it's spent long enough in the vinegar water, so I can live with that. Good tooth. Okay, this is a nice little meg tooth. Obviously this is not the one that I picked up in the video. I must have accidentally put the wrong tooth in with the wrong ground shot or water shot in the other video. But I didn't have a video for this one, so I wanted to make sure to show y'all this little meg tooth. 2 inches. Little meg tooth, 2 inches. Not the best, but it's not the worst. You saw it underwater, covered with crustaceans. Now that's what it looks like cleaned up. Normally I wouldn't film this, but it was really close to another one that I did film. So that's what it looks like cleaned up. Oh my gosh, this one could have been killer. But I've said it before and I'll say it again. They had to eat. Talk about bite force, man. Look at the amount of that tip that got smashed off. Those sharks bite hard, don't they? Not a bad little meg tooth, 2¼ inches, good color. I like the contrast with that burlette between the root and the enamel there. Got a little bit of damage, but most of them do. They're teeth and they're millions of years old. Last dive of the day, I swam fast, I swam hard. We were in a great spot, just gravel everywhere. So I covered earth, man, I'm telling you. And I didn't find a whole lot because I was just looking for big teeth. But check out this one. It was like the end of the dive. As far as I got away from the boat, this one was laying way out there. Covered with sea life. I think the acid did a good job on this one. This one's 4¼ got some serrations, got some burlette, whole root. That one would have been a trip maker on its own. So my second whole decent sized meg of the day, banner dive. There's day 4. It was a banner day. Both of these guys probably 4 inches right there. But before they get dried out too much, I gotta get them in the fresh water. There's that beautiful shell right out of the freshwater soak. You might be wondering, why in the world did you pick up that shell? Well, it's because a wise collector that I've referred to in the past called Jedi Master, he told me that before you soak your good teeth in a vinegar and water mixture, you want to throw a shell in there to take the bite out of the acid, because vinegar is indeed an acid. So that will stop your teeth from getting etched by the acid if you put a sacrificial shell in there first. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, so I've mixed the vinegar into there. Can't really see anything. It smells like I'm dyeing Easter eggs from when I was a kid. But I use the apple cider vinegar because it's less harsh. I'm gonna put the teeth in there probably tomorrow after that shell's had time to dissolve, and then we'll see what happens after. All right, it's been about a day. The shell is gone completely. So it's time to put this righteous smelling group of teeth in the drink. There we go. Wish us luck. Look at all that bubbling going on. There's cleaning action afoot. We'll leave it in there about a day and see what happens. Here are all the broken teeth I found. Quite a few of them down there. Nothing real great in this flat, but I did say I found a lot of broken teeth, so I wanted to give y'all an idea of what I was talking about. Here are all the tiny teeth I found. Well, you know, little ones, as promised in one of the previous videos from this trip. Lots of good ones in there. I picked up everything I saw, but I didn't film everything I saw, because if I had filmed all these, I probably wouldn't have found the bigger teeth that were the stars of the video. But these are still good ones. I mean, like, look at this sand tiger. That's a beautiful tooth. Who wouldn't pick that one up? Look at this lemon. Cool tooth. There's even a little mako in there. Right there. So yeah. Giving the little teeth some love. Here's all the stuff I filmed underwater. You already seen them cleaned up, but it's the family photo that we've come to know and love. Obviously, my favorite ones are up top there. This was a fantastic day of diving. I had a blast. There's no better diving than a day in Venice. You can see, the water is awesome, and there's killer teeth there. Sometimes you even see cool fish. I really appreciate y'all watching this video. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't done that, please do so, and also make sure you sign up for the notifications so you can know when we put up new content, because we hunt all the time, and I'm going to show you what I find. Until next time, happy hunting.